Example 1. In the given fraction, you have to find the C value. As it is an objective question, we proceed by technique of simplifying it down. To get C, denominator here x plus 3 equals 0 with the highest power of the factor. Equating it to 0, x is equals to minus 3. That you substitute in the remaining factor. So C is obtained by substituting here as like this. Minus 3 whole square, it is 9. Minus 3 into 13 minus 39 plus 15 divided by minus 6 plus 3. And that simplifies the problem as minus 15 by minus 3. Answer is equals to plus 5. Okay, the answer is plus 5C. That's right.